Hi, my name is Aaron Johnson. I'm a press brake operator here at Prince. I started off in the separation department, and then I slowly but surely moved my way towards press brake by, constantly giving 100%, trying to put myself out there and show them that I can work really hard. And then once I got the press brake, I decided that I was going to keep, pushing hard and keeping my career, uplifted. I enjoy coming to work because the atmosphere is awesome. The main goal is to progress. So as long as one person is helping the next person progress, then it's always a good atmosphere here. If I had to compare, it's a whole lot better from what I used to do. I used to do carpentry, so I was outside all the time. It was kind of hot, but now I'm in here. To make sure we try to stay cool. It's a well-kept environment, so that we are able to work and progress and able to keep up with what we're doing. For those interested in working here, just know that it's gonna be a journey. You're gonna learn something. You're gonna go home with more knowledge than you came in with. You're gonna want to come back to work and progress. You're gonna want to come back to work and start finding out more ways to make yourself a better worker.